Name 3 showbiz news about you na hindi totoo.
Ay, meron akong recent. Okay.
Ang hirap pala.
I had such a hard time trying to think of 3 because I'm super not controversial. I've never in my life been a controversial person. My slate is so clean. So, let's start with number 1. May gagawin akong masama sa isang senator. Tapos, parang pinangalanan nila na I said something bad daw about a certain senator. And I'm like, no, I didn't. It's not that I don't have negative feelings towards any.
Yes.
I'm just saying I would never say who. I would
Tama.
never.
Yeah.
I'm a neutral person.
Yeah.
Okay, third party, wala. And maraming hindi makapaniwala kung paano ako gumanda ng gumanda through the years.
Maganda
You know,
ka na ever since.
Maganda na ako before, pero yung parang mas lalo pang ano,
Maganda.
pero wala po akong pinapaayos.